Oh my gosh. I got this huge wrap from the kebab shop, so let's eat this up. This burrito is so massive. Yeah, that is actually so good. Grilled chicken is super juicy and tender. The saffron rice and everything is seasoned perfectly. This yogurt dill sauce is great too. Adding it's like the cherry on top. I also love the french fries in here. All right, let me try to like power through this. That's just a fat ass wrap. I can't finish it. Saving that for later though. Hey, for me, that's an 8.9 out of 10.